If you have an HP Pro or Elite Mini G9, including latest 2025 models, getting Wi-Fi and Bluetooth in them is so much easier than you think. Despite being generic aftermarket kit, the speed we achieved were remarkable. Original antennas are at the front and are not adjustable, leading loss of speed when router is placed at the side or behind the PC. Watch how the original kit scores 730 megabits per second while facing the router. Now observe how speed drops to 480 megabits per second the moment we turned it away from the router. Our generic kit, however, is not impacted by the directional changes. It scores the same in both positions. This is very likely because of the adjustable antenna. In addition to that, antennas are placed at the front and the back, ensuring maximum coverage. This is a very simple kit, comprised of one external antenna. This connects to the back of the machine. One internal antenna that goes at the front of the machine. And finally a card that just slots into the M.2 slot. To start, take the top case off. Take off the two screws that hold the SSD caddy. Slide the caddy backward, carefully flip it over. Now release the SSD ribbon. Here is the demonstration of how to release the ribbon. Screw the flathead screw provided with the kit to the front right here. Now feed the internal antenna through the speaker cable. Now slot in one end of the antenna under the flathead screw. Make sure the other end is pushed against this raised part here. Also make sure the antenna is pushed as far to the edge as possible. Now you can go ahead and tighten the screw. Remember, if antenna is not right to the edge, top case may not close. Now with a credit card or something similar, push the cable under the motherboard. For the external antenna, there's a dedicated hole at the back. Notice that the top side of the hole is flat. This cover can be broken off with subtle force. Just above the hole, there's a small screw. It's better to loosen it slightly. Inserting the SMA is quite easy task if you match the flat side of the SMA to the flat side of the hole. Make sure it is really tight and cables are tidy too. Now plug in the card and secure it with the provided screw. To put the caddy back, remember the left notch of the caddy has its dedicated slot. The same with the notch on the right. While notches are in the right places, lift up this corner slightly and slide the caddy forward. Do not forget to reconnect the SSD ribbon. Now put the screws back on. Whenever tightening or rotating the antenna, be sure to hold the base with your finger in a fixed position. Now enjoy your fully wireless PC.